In the previous video, we saw how to get a Power BI service account, which is important to what we are trying to do. So in this video, we'll be looking at how to install Power BI Desktop. And like I said in earlier videos, this is where we are going to do most of our development before moving to Power BI service. There are two ways or three ways to install Power BI Desktop. So we'll start with the first and the easiest one. If you're able to make your way to this home page, then at this right hand side you'll see an option to download, and if you click on download, there are different things you could download here. So the first thing is that there's options to download Power BI Desktop. If you click on this, then it will download the latest version of the Power BI Desktop for you. So the second option is that if you are using Windows 10 or latest, so you can go to your Microsoft Store, and in your Microsoft Store search for Power BI, and you will see the option to install Power BI. So this is Power BI Desktop. If you click on it, so I already have it installed, that is why it is bringing the option of open for me. So if you want the Power BI report builder, you can also install that. So for now, what we are working on is the Power BI Desktop. So you see these options to install Power BI Desktop. So the third one, which is the last available option for us, is that if you go on Google and search for Power BI download, and search for Power BI download. So if you click on this first option, download, then it's going to take you to this page where you can download Power BI. So you see there's option for you to select the language you want, and also there will be a lot of information like the version of the Power BI, the date it was published, the file size, and also some system requirements. If you click on this, you see system requirements to see if your system actually meets the requirement, and also there's installation instruction. So that is how to download our Power BI Desktop. Don't forget to like this video and share. In the next section, we'll dive into Power BI Desktop and work our way up to Power BI service. See you there.